Hey everyone, it's Mandy Mac. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since your girl's been here. But I'm back, because you know I always come back. Today's video is a fail. I was so excited to do it and everything was working out great. And then the finished product happened and it's just, I'm wearing a top by the way. It's not naked. Yeah. And it just happened. So today's video was supposed to be eating milk, chocolate, Coke, and Fanta bottles. And I did everything right. And then when I went to peel the plastic off, my bottle died. Like it died. I'm so sad. This one dropped in the fridge. The whole point is to put the milk chocolate inside the bottle and then you start to cut it open. And as your girl started cutting open, you know, she died. So I guess I didn't do enough chocolate. I'll have to redo it, but I figure we could just talk to each other today because it's been a hot minute. So I'm still going to try and get like the plastic off these bottles while we're talking. But yeah, so this video is being filmed on Labor Day, so that's good. How was everyone's summer? My summer was okay. I worked a lot, you know. Gotta get that guap, make that money. All the kids are going back to school. If you have kids, let me know how their first day goes. I know my nieces are going off to school. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Oh, I have some really good videos coming up. They're going to be pretty funny, actually. I don't even want to ruin it. So yeah, this was the Fanta that's all chocolate, and I'm trying to rip it open, you know. But how's everyone doing? I'm feeling, like, hella confident lately, which I think is great because I usually have, like, really low self-esteem. But I'm feeling like, ooh, yes, girl, look at the bronzer, look at the highlight, look at the eyes, look at the makeup. Know what I mean? Like, yes, smile, love yourself, live yourself, laugh, have fun with it. I'm gonna just eat this chocolate. So I originally was gonna release this on my Food Friday Frenzy. I probably still will, but it's useless because it's not a Food Friday Frenzy anymore. But I got this idea from a lot of ASMR channels. But the idea on how to actually do it, I got from ASMR Kids. That was some really cool videos that are safe for children to do. And this whole activity is actually really fun for kids. It's super easy. It's just, I don't know where I went wrong. Like, I don't know if I got the wrong bottle. I mean, I figure a Fanta bottle is a Fanta bottle, but apparently not. I don't know if, like, I got the wrong chocolate. I mean, I just got melting chocolate. My hands are a mess. Lord help me. I don't know. I don't know where I went wrong. All I know is this bottle ain't holding up. It was gonna look so legit though. Like, you wouldn't even be able to tell. And then you keep the sticker and you put it on. I'm still gonna do it. Yo, girl's gonna do it. Just a matter of when. No, there's chocolate everywhere. So, you know, I finally cut it apart after hours of work, and it's just eating pieces of chocolate. So this video is useless. I understand if you don't watch it. If you've made it this far, hi. How you doing? I got a few new videos coming out. I'm back in it. I got some new lighting. I think it looks a lot better. And the good thing about YouTube is, you know, like, I don't upload to get money or anything like that. I literally upload because I love filming and I love makeup and I love food. So I'm pretty content knowing that, oh, look. That was the top of the Fanta bottle. Ha. Mm-hmm.
1 hour later.
Woo! That was a big chunk of chocolate. Mmm. Mmm. Well then. I'm gonna leave this video as a welcome back video because I've been gone for a while, but I'm back now. So get ready because there's gonna be videos coming at you. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one.